Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Playdate on violin. First, locate the sheet music or a reliable tutorial for the song. Make sure your violin is perfectly tuned to the standard G-D-A-E. Proper tuning is crucial for good intonation. Then, focus on your left hand position, ensuring your fingers are curved and ready to press down firmly on the strings. This foundational setup will set you up for success. The melody of Playdate is quite accessible, often staying within the first position on your violin. Pay close attention to the specific fingerings for each note to ensure accuracy. Practice transitioning smoothly between notes, particularly when moving across different strings. Start by playing the opening phrase at a slow tempo to build muscle memory and achieve precise intonation and rhythm. To truly capture the essence of Playdate, you'll need to master its distinctive syncopated rhythm. Maintain a consistent bow speed and pressure throughout the piece to produce a clear, even tone. This helps each note sing beautifully. Don't be afraid to experiment with various bowing patterns. Finding what feels most natural for you will enhance your overall performance and musicality. Effective practice is key to mastering Playdate. Divide the song into smaller, manageable sections, focusing on one part at a time. Utilize a metronome to slowly build up your tempo, ensuring precise timing. A great tip is to record yourself playing. Listening back helps you identify areas for improvement and allows you to refine your performance for a polished sound.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.